If you see a social worker, you should really tell them thank you for what they do because it's National Social Worker Appreciation Month. Social workers help in every capacity, from hospital care to homelessness, child care, a lot more. KOAM's Lonnie Walton spoke to some four-staters about their impact.
Kind of grew up always knowing that it was something that I wanted to do.
Erin Porter is a social worker at Developmental Disability Resource Board in Joplin. She says the death of her sister encouraged her to become a social worker at the same facility that supported her sister while she was alive.
I grew up seeing the impact that her case manager made on her and my mom's life and just our family life in general.
And they continue to impact the four-state area also, according to Program Manager of Lutheran Family and Children's Services, Darcy Peterson.
I have staff that work with a lot of families that are struggling with homelessness. They're struggling with addiction. They're struggling with mental health issues.
Dan Shields from Wildwood Senior Living in Joplin says the world will be a different place without them.
I think that social workers are great to help for our whole well-being, psychosocial well-being, and just really help to complete, to make us whole.
Being a social worker is not only a lot of hours, but it also can be emotionally draining as well.
The turnover is just really high in this field because it's just really emotionally demanding. Social workers, like I said, in schools and in hospitals and corporations, workers wear all kinds of different hats and fill all kinds of different roles. It takes incredibly brave people to do all of the things that social workers do.
And that's something that Porter truly understands.
I put myself in family shoes because, I've been on the receiving end. I've seen what it's like for families to navigate really tough situations.
Reporting in Joplin, I'm Lonnie Walton, KOAM News.
According to a report by Columbia University, there's going to be a substantial deficit in the number of workers, 74,000 social workers every year for the next decade, with the rural areas hit the hardest.